If you want to know how to pay in Epic Games with a debit card, this video will walk you through the process step by step so you can complete your purchase quickly and without confusion. A lot of people think you need a credit card specifically, but in many cases, a debit card works just fine as long as it's enabled for online and international payments. So if you've been stuck at checkout, this guide is going to help you get through it. And before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. It really helps the channel grow and it lets you know when new videos are posted. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your Epic Games launcher and log in with your account. If you're already signed in, just make sure you're on the correct account before buying anything. Once you're inside, choose the game, add-on, or item you want to purchase and then continue to the checkout page. This is where you will be able to select your payment method and enter your billing details. On the payment screen, look for the credit card option. Even if you're using a debit card, this is usually the option you want to choose because many debit cards are processed the same way as credit cards during checkout. After selecting that option, carefully enter your debit card information. That includes the card number, the name on the card, the expiration date, and the CVV security code from the back of the card. Take your time here and make sure everything matches exactly, because even a small typo can cause the payment to fail. Now, this next part is really important. Many debit cards need international transactions or online payments enabled before they can be used on Epic Games. If your purchase gets declined, that does not always mean there is a problem with Epic Games. It may simply mean your bank has blocked the transaction for security reasons. In that case, open your bank's app or website and check whether international usage or online purchases are turned on. If you can't find the setting, you may need to contact your bank directly and ask them to allow the payment. Once your card details are entered and your bank has approved online or international transactions, go ahead and click Place Order. Epic Games will process the payment, and if everything is correct, your purchase should go through successfully. If it does not work the first time, double check the card number, expiry date, CVV, and billing information, and make sure the card has enough balance available. Debit cards can sometimes be declined if there are insufficient funds or if the bank sees the purchase as unusual, and that's really all there is to it. To pay in Epic Games with a debit card, you open the launcher, log in, choose your item, select the credit card option, enter your debit card details, and place the order. The biggest thing to remember is that your bank may need to allow international or online transactions first. If this video helped you out, please hit like and subscribe for more easy tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.